General Secretary of Antarrashtriya Sahyog Parishad. So let's talk to him and hear something from him. Hello sir.
हेलो नमस्ते।
नमस्ते सर। सर आप पीबीडी के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे या किस तरीके से आपको हेल्प कर रहा है? What exactly is your vision from it?
Look, I had been either participating or watching PBD since last 13 years. This is the 14th one, and this is the biggest event happening in last 14 years, and probably the best it will turn out to be. I hope so, because it is located in a wonderful city of Bangalore, which has become a globalized city, and this attracted a huge number of PIOs and NRIs from all over the world.
Right.
Together with that, the talent is here. The achievements of Indians abroad are worth appreciating, and the achievers are all here. Most of them are here. So this is going to be one of the most wonderful events that I expect ahead.
Right sir. Thank you so much sir. And if we talk only about the PBD, the entire event, आपके association को किस तरह से help करता है? What exactly you do? If you can just talk a little about it.
Antarrashtriya Sahyog Parishad has been associated with this event since its inception. My predecessor, Secretary General of Antarrashtriya Sahyog Parishad, Sri Baleshwar Agrawal ji, was one of the pioneers of the diaspora activity across the world. So most of them know him, and they had been visiting him or he had been traveling abroad to get them together, and he was part of the high-level committee established by Government of India in 1999 and 2000. And after that, this event was started by Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Right.
Since then, Antarrashtriya Sahyog Parishad cooperates with this event in all possible ways. Connects the right people, academic excellence, people with academic excellence, people with technological excellence, people who have excelled in literary field, cultural field. Everybody had been connected to ARSP, and that's how we also connected them to this event. And we are hand in hand in this event.
Right. So sir, आप शुरू से इसमें जुड़े हुए हैं, like 2003 से, right?
Yes, okay. I have been associated with this event since then, though I was off and on part of this or not, but then I was watching this either, if not participating.
Okay. So sir, do you find any kind of difference since the time it started, when it started in 2003 and now it's 2017? So do you find any difference? Do we have any more number of people participating in this year when we compare it from the previous year?
As I said earlier, it is the highest number this time than what it participated earlier.
Okay.
Even in Gandhinagar, there were 3,500 delegates. And this time, the number has crossed 7,000 from more than 72 countries. So this is one of the biggest events happening here. And this is a kind of celebration for whole of diaspora, Indian diaspora spread across. The world is watching this diaspora for its rise, for its achievements. And that's where we are proud of this event.
Wow. Thank you so much, sir.